back to BiharGeeks. So today we will solve a popular coding problem, that is a valid Sudoku. Let's dive in. So the goal is to check if the given Sudoku board is valid or not. So rules are very simple, that each row should contain a unique digit that is between 1 and 9. Same for the column also have a unique digits, and there is a subgrid also. As you see that there is a subgrid that is 3 into 3. So subgrid also contain a unit digits, and you see that there are some empty cells also there, so that can be ignored. Okay, so let's start. And first what we have to do, we have to build a logic. So what I'm going to do here is I will use a hash set to track the number of rows and columns and subgrid. Okay, if we find any duplicates, it means like the board is not valid. Fine. So first we will start with the defining a set here. So here will be set of type string, right? And we will name it as scene equal to new HashSet, right? Now what we have to do, we have to iterate over the board, right? So int I equal to 0 and I is less than 9, because the board size is 9 into 9, right? I plus plus. Next it's a 2D, so we have to iterate in second. This is for basically row, and this is for the column which we are doing. Okay, so int j equal to 0 and j will be less than 9 and j plus plus. And what we need to do now, we have to take out the character one by one. Char see current character on the board. So board is I and j. The value we will get it I and j. So it will be start from here. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do, we have to check that the current is not equal to that dot, which we have to ignore that. Fine. So we will check that the current um, current is not equal to that dot. Then what we will do, what we will create a key for row, column and the board. Okay, string row key equal to, we put name as like row plus I plus the current value we have, right? Same we have to do with the column and the subgrid also. So we just copy it, paste 3 times. We will name it as column, and for this we will name it as box for the gray, right? Name it as column, and here we will name it as box, right? This will be a current and this will be with the j. And here what we have to do, here the logic will be little different because we are doing it into 3 into 3 part. So there will be I, which we will divide by 3, plus there will be j. Same we have to do it, like divide by 3. Fine. So we will get a box value here. What now we have to do, we have to check it inside our set. Okay, so we will put a condition like if scene is not to add, side that we will put uh, row key. Same for others. Let me copy it and paste it. Or, or I have to change the name. Where is the column? Column key. Same for the box. Right? If any of the things we get it, so we will just return it false here because that particular value is already existing either in the row, column, or thing. If all the condition got satisfied, it means that the Sudoku is valid. So we will just return it true from here. Right? So let me run this code. I'm getting an error here. Okay, I forgot to add equals. Okay, it's got submitted. Let me submit it also. Fine, it got accepted here. So that's it for today's challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bihar Geeks for more coding solution. See you in the next video. Bye bye.